here in London today, just outside Canary Wharf at Westferry, staying in the Premier Inn at Westferry, which you can see behind me. So let's go and have a look around the hotel. So from the reception area, very nice. We've got electronic check-in, if you want to use that. We've got real check-in around the corner, if you want to speak to a person, I did. Or we've got a bar area as well for the evening. We're in the room. Let's have a look around the bed first. This is always the most important part, isn't it? Premier Inn beds are always very comfortable. This one has a nice purple light next to it. It's just got 2 pillows, one for each person. There's only me staying tonight, so we can stack those up. Lights. We've got a light next to the bed, nice and handy. And we've got switches for the rest of the lights, and moving down to a socket and USB charging, very handy next to the bed there. Nice table for your cup, similar shelves to the other side of the bed. Nice picture to admire. And then we turn round and we've got the all-important tea and coffee station. Have used a few of these. There were 4 milks, not very many, 2 teas, 2 coffees and a few little sugars. Very nice cups there. Glass cup, nice size kettle. Fantastic. Desk if you want to do some work. I did. Nice comfortable chair. And next to that we've got a chair for sitting and relaxing, or as it's usually used for in a hotel, piling your clothes and bags on. I have moved mine now. And let's have a look at the view out of the window. We're on the 6th floor of 26, it's quite tall. I didn't pay for an extra view room, but actually we've got quite a pleasant view there over the street. And as you can hear, despite it being a busy street, there is no noise. And again, as is usual in a Premier Inn, we've got great blackout curtains, so it's all dark at night. We do have a TV as well. Let's see what that does when we switch it on. Is it going to make some noise for us? Sometimes you get a singy dancy. No, welcome to your room. Lovely. Oh, that's gone. Ah, and there we go. TV. There it is. Excellent. And we just finish up the room with the storage area. We've got a drawer at the bottom. Full length mirror, always helpful for when you're going out. Hangers there if you've got anything with you. And the other side of that, let's just move around. You can see hairdryer and vanity. Downside of this is it is dark. I'll just move back into shot. A bit hard to see to do your hair and makeup. I have to do it in the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Looking in the shower first. We've got shower gel, great, always really helpful that. And we've got a shower that you can move, used to do your hair. We've got a shelf for your products. And we've also got a rainfall shower, so it's really nice to have the choice for people who prefer different things. We've got the toilet, there it is, it's toilet, nice and clean. Sink area, vanity area, very nice for your products. Hi. So for breakfast we've got the toasters. You do have to put it through twice, but you get really good toast. Fruit, yoghurt, golden syrup and Nutella, very nice. We've got juices, muffins, pastries, cereals, and if you paid for it, a hot breakfast. So we're pretty ideally located. Here's the entrance. Just round to the left, we've got the Docklands Light Railway, very handy for getting about. Canary Wharf, XL. Swivel around some more, and we've got loads of bikes if you fancy some bikes, and then across the road a bunch of shops, bars, etc.